Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this low messy bun hairstyle. To start, we're going to section out the crown area of the hair and we're just going to pop this into a clear elastic band, creating a little ponytail. Next, we're going to take a slice of hair from the left hand side and the same size slice from the right hand side of the head. Bring this together at the back of the head and tie it with another elastic band. Now pop your right hand through so you've got two fingers pointing up, and we're going to rotate this towards the left hand side so your fingers point down. Use your fingers to pull the ponytail through that little loop and then just clip that ponytail out of your way for a second and then tighten up that elastic band by pulling on the hair. Then release the ponytail back down. And all we're going to do is repeat these steps. So we're going to take a slice of hair from both sides of the head, tie them together with an elastic band, but this time we're going to pop our left hand through the hole and we're going to rotate our fingers to the right. Then grab the ponytail and pull it through that loop. Again, clip it out of the way and tighten up the ponytail. So one more time, we're going to take a section from the left and the right hand side, tie them together at the back. Now we're going to swap our hands over, so we're using our right hand again. We're going to pop a couple of fingers up and rotate it to the left hand side. Grab that ponytail. Clip it out the way and tighten everything up. And we're just going to keep doing this until we get to the bottom of the head. So I did 4 sections in total. Make sure you alternate the direction in which you twist your hand every time you take a new slice of hair. Add some texture spray all over the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and then gently pinch and pull at the hair to create a little more volume and also fill in any gaps. Split the remaining hair in half and just create a loose twist by wrapping the sections around one another and secure it with a clear elastic band. And all we're going to do is bring the ends of that twist up to the head and circle it around itself to create a bun, and then secure it all the way around that bun with a few bobby pins. Then just pinch and pull at the hair until you're happy with the way your bun looks. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.